In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up a similar offer, how I have it shown in here, with two apps. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the first app, which is called Caching Bundles. And this is going to set up this first part without the subscriptions. And in the second video series, I will show you guys how to install the Caching Subscriptions app, which is encompasses this whole save 30% with automatic refills. So without further ado, I will begin. But right now, this is a test store I have. You can see that it doesn't have it at all on this particular store that I'm just using. But we're gonna be incorporating both of these. The single bottle, most popular. This is the caching bundle side of things, and below it is the caching subscription app. So my favorite subscription app, there is no demand, and it makes everything look a lot easier. It makes your website look a lot cleaner. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So this is going to be the example, and I'm going to be updating this one. I'm going to go to my store and type in caching bundles, which is a app, and there is a free plan, and I'm going to install it. So yes, you have, I believe it's 7 or 14 days for it, but yeah, just we're going to click install right here and let it process. Usually when I have a paid app too, it pops up on the left-hand side. I like to pin it so I know like what's, you know, getting charged, and always just keep a quick radar on the left-hand side of Shopify as a tip. So right here, it's gonna ask you to choose a plan. We're gonna click choose plan. Currently, we don't have a discount code, but you know, that could come in the future too. So if that is possible, we will drop it in the video below. But as of right now, there is no discount. So uh you'd be charged on how you use this app, maximum $300 per day for 30 days. So this is only, you only will get charged $300 based off of usage. So if you are getting charged 300, it's probably a good thing because you are, you know, getting a lot of sales, but no need to worry about that. We're going to click approve to install caching bundles. And there's going to be a few steps in here. So I have it downloaded. It's on my store. And I think we'll just let it load to see what else is next. Maybe we have to refresh this real quick. All right, cool. So there's going to be a quick onboarding process. So get started with caching bundles. So we're going to have to click activate app embed, which that means is it's going to take you to your theme customization where you can edit your theme, and it's going to toggle on automatically, which it's prompting you to. It's going to pick a random product. Don't worry about this, but you basically on the left hand side, it's asking, hey, can this app be added and active on your store right now? So you don't want this. You want this to be turned on, which it should turn on already, and then click save. Which that means is it's basically giving access to this app to add it to your store. So then we'll click exit out of here, and it's going to take you back to that part. But yeah, when you go back inside a caching bundles app, you can see that it was a check mark. So now that's successfully installed. So the next thing we have to do is create a bundle. A bundle is basically, sorry, a bundle is going back to my website that I had. This is a bundle right here. The 30-day supply, buy two, get one free, buy three, get two free. This is all customizable. So you're going to be creating a bundle, which is essentially like an offer. And we're going to copy this one for this example. So I'm going to go back to the caching bundles app. I apologize for going to multiple tabs. We're going to click create bundle deal. So you can pick any of these. Right now, what I'm going to do is actually the, let me see which one is. I like the subscription one. So I'm going to click the subscription for this instance. And we're going to be creating the first offer. Guys, there's so many offers we can choose. We can copy the competitor. If you want, I do suggest, you know, trying this one for the first time. So it's buy one normal price, buy two, get one free, and then buy three, get two free. So I'm going to show you how that works. When you create your bundle, this is the bundle name, so we can just say EFA bundle, or yeah, we can call it EFA bundle. And the bundle and save right here, you can change it to anything you want. It'll just update it live. But yeah, this is kind of like a bunch of the settings. So you can see that there's the settings. You can also change the style too. So right now it's defaulting to the style. If you want the style that I was showing in here, you're gonna want to click the second block. Okay. You can leave it on this one. So it's whatever works for, what looks best in your guys' eyes. But we can start because we're gonna mask and copy the thyroid core drops that I have. We're gonna pick this one. And I'm gonna change the colors and everything later. I just want to build out this and make sure it's right. So I'm gonna click save for now. And it says 49.99. The reason why it's just defaulting to a price that you have on the store. We can actually make sure that we go to the settings, and this is going to be important. So visibility. Right now it's showing on all products. We probably don't want that. I like to have more control of which products have this bundle. So I'm going to click specific selected products. I'm going to click select products, and I'm going to pick the berberine supplement dropper that I made. So now it's only going to be showing on this product, and I'm going to click save. So it already knows, like, my price is $29.99, and it's going to just multiply it based off of how many quantity there are. So the initial base price is right here to $29.99. You don't need variance for this instance, but I always keep it just to one price, and then if they want to buy two, then it's going to multiply it by two depending on how we structure this offer. So I'll get into that pretty soon. So I'm gonna ignore all the settings and styles, and then right now we have a buy one get one free, buy two get three free, and buy three get six free. Obviously that's not the offer we're gonna be going for. So what I'm actually gonna do is delete this one because I don't want to offer anything for free, and I'm gonna add a bar, and I'm gonna make it a quantity break. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a quantity break, and then I'm actually gonna move this one up to the first category because I'm gonna make it lowest price to highest price from left to right. So I'm gonna change this to quantity to one, full price, and then I'm gonna go and also look at how I have this structured. 1 second. And then I'm gonna label this 30-day supply. And then I'm gonna put the subtitle as try it risk free and label single products or single bottle. This is all customizable to how you want it to look. So, you know, you can use mine as a first initial offer, but this is all customizable. So now that one's pretty solid. I'm gonna go to the second one, and I'm gonna change this to buy two and get one free. So instead of three, I'm gonna change this to one, and I'm gonna make sure, yeah, it has 100% off, so that's perfect. And then I'm gonna also change the wording of this: buy two get one free. So I'm gonna update that. For the subtitle, I'm gonna do 90-day supply, and then label, which is like at the very top where I had changed the previous one from single bottle. I'm actually gonna make this say most popular because I want people to be selecting this one instead. And it's already on selected by default. So when people join or visit your website, it's already going to be pre-selected, which is a good thing because that's where we're trying to push them to increase uh, you know, our average order value. So that one's good. And then we're going to go to the third one, and we're going to change this to buy three, get two free. And we're going to update this text right here, capitalize the G and F. And then I'm also going to put 150-day supply right there and label it best value. So this is the first initial step of getting this set up. Um, Actually, I'm going to remove the free gift right here because we're not offering a free gift. So what we're doing is what's free is the same product for it. You can add free gifts in here, but that's for another conversation. Don't worry more about it. But yeah, this is basically the setup that we have. I'm going to click save and I'm going to test what it looks like. So I'm going to go back to my website and I'm going to refresh it and see how it looks. All right, so we have some motion going on. We have it looking, somewhat decent. What would look better is if we add the pictures into it, and also we're missing the subscription part, but that's in the next video. So this is the first base of it, and yeah. Hopefully that is it. I can show in the next video on how to create images and add it in here. So that's in a separate video, and then go over the style so we can update the colors and everything. So hopefully you got some value, and see you guys in the next video.